Hi there, and welcome to Front Training. In this short video, we're going to give you an overview of the Customer Experience Report inside Front Analytics. This report is going to help with collection and analysis of CSAT, or customer satisfaction, across your business. For those of you who have been using CSAT and maybe are still using other tools, we highly recommend that you stop paying for those because they are already likely included in your Front subscription, as well as the analytics involved is right here. With customer satisfaction, you can build reports that are proactive, meaning that you send them after a customer interacts with you, or reactive, something that might say be in a signature line. So anytime I reply to you, somebody can rate how helpful my reply is to them from 1 to 5 stars. Once you start collecting this information, you will be able to see it here inside your customer experience report. The first widget that you have at the top is actually going to be your customer satisfaction, or that CSAT here. You can see how many people rated you with 1 star, 4 stars, 5 stars, and you can even click to expand to see those conversations that you have here as well. Over on the right-hand side, you will see sample feedback that has been written and the conversations associated with this. If you ever see these little arrows and a plus or minus number, all this is doing is just comparing to the last interval of time that you have. Down below, you can see the changes over time of your satisfaction score. Generally, we like to see an up and to the right curve. That way you can always be striving toward that 100%. You can look at your percent as well as your average between 1 to 5 stars. Down below, we have our account information table for your customers. This is going to show all of those customers, companies that you are interacting with. So we want to make sure that you have added your accounts, and you can view them both by accounts as well as contacts here. So if you actually want to look at the actual individual or the overall business. Usually this depends on whether or not you're B2B or B2C. Based on this information, you can pull up a number of different variables, like how often they're reaching out, how quickly you're replying to that business, maybe even the SLA breaches that you have with them. And you can turn on a number of different variables to be displayed as columns inside this report, both for accounts as well as for your contacts here. We also really highly recommend that this is great information to send to those people that you work with. Let's say you're doing an awesome job of responding to all of their inquiries. You're never breaching an SLA. Celebrate that. Also, let your clients and customers celebrate that too by sending them this information as well. If you have any questions about the customer experience report or need help setting up your CSAT, both proactive and reactive surveys for your team, feel free to reach out to us, as we are always happy to help.